Hey there, X. I'm hungry. Oh, boys, I'll get you a snack in a minute. Here you go. Free scoops of ice cream. Yummy, huh? Oh, wow. 2, you're eating it way too fast. Didn't you hear me? I'm hungry, fool. Oh, lost scoop. 2, you're eating it way too fast. Okay, boys, I'm going to do the laundry. 2, I'm at my last scoop and you are done? Oh boy, I know what's gonna happen next. See? What, huh? What's that sound? Uh-oh, X! Yes, boys, what is it? Something's wrong with 2. Let me see. 2, hold your breath. Uh-oh, that didn't work. Here, drink this. What should I do? I don't know. Hey, X, is 2 going to be okay? I don't know, Ford. Just watch the cartoon. Uh-oh. 2, what's going on? Look, 2, your hiccups are gone. I guess that poop might have helped. Oh, wow. Hold on, 2. Phone's ringing. I'll be back. Hello. Hey, X, this is 5's mom. 5 wants to play with the boys. Maybe they could come over? Sure. 2 had the hiccups, but his poop cured it. Strange. Well, I live on 15th Street. Okay. Okay, boys, this is the place. Let's ring the doorbell. Oh, thank you so much for coming, guys. Yay, yay, yay! Hi, 2 and 4. Let's go inside and play. I can't wait. Okay, guys, I'll go and do something for lunch. And if you get hungry, remind me. Bye, boys. Have fun.
Wow. Come over, guys.
Guys, stop. Yeah, same. Come on, guys, let's go and tell Mom, we're all so hungry. What are you doing on your tablet? Yeah, Mrs. 5, I'm the hungriest. Listen to my rumbly tummy. You free? I'm ordering a pizza for lunch. Look at the screen. Oh, I see. And bye. This is the address. Oh, hi there. Thanks. I have 3 hungry boys in my house. Oh, you're welcome. I hope these 3 hungry boys enjoy.
This pizza's the best.
Awesome.